how to quickly select bodies of functions, including function names with parameter list, also classes and other elements in a source code such as return statements with or without return keyword. This technique works with other elements in a source code such as loop statements, if statements, assignments, and so on. In this way, we can not only select those elements but also perform all kinds of operations on the selected elements such as deletion, modification, copying, and so on. Besides that, we can also quickly move around between elements in a source code. For example, if I need to jump to next functions, next or previous classes, if statements, loop statements, and many other elements. And also we can take a look how to quickly swap elements between each other. For example, if I need to swap the current function with the next one. All this will be possible with additional Neovim plugin that we are about to install. But before that, since I'm going to use Neovim from within vscode, the following extension has to be installed, and the link to the playlist where I have installed and fully configured this extension will be in the video description. So let's start installing the plugin that is going to allow us to quickly navigate in the source code as well as perform operations on different elements. And we're going to use the plugin called Neovim Treesitter Text Objects. To install this plugin, I'm going to use Lazy Package Manager that we have to install first. So let's jump onto the Lazy Package Manager site and copy installation command. Let me copy this whole chunk of code and paste it into Neovim configuration file, which by default on macOS will be located within the root folder of the current user.config and vim folder. And then, since we're gonna use special key called leader that is frequently used in Neovim mappings, we need to define this key. So if you haven't defined this key yet, just copy this statement and paste it into Neovim configuration file. And now we have to tell Lazy Package Manager what plugin we're going to install. So I'm gonna copy this chunk of code, paste it right below the instruction for installation Lazy Package Manager. Let's remove extra stuff from here and leave it only spec table. And inside of this spec table, we're going to list all necessary Neovim plugins. In this case, I'm going to add plugin called Neovim Treesitter. This plugin is going to provide us with better syntax highlighting, but in our case, we don't need this since we use vscode and vscode has its own syntax highlighting feature. But the reason we need to install this plugin is because Neovim Treesitter Text Object plugin requires Neovim Treesitter plugin to be installed. Neovim Treesitter Text Objects plugin is exactly the one that will provide us with functionality to move around in the source code quickly and perform all kinds of operations on different objects, such as classes, functions, if statements, for loops, and so on. Next one, I'm also going to specify the function, which will be kind of an initialization function, which will be executed when vscode starts up. And right here, we're gonna require Neovim Treesitter.configs and call setup on this object. And within this object, we're going to configure Neovim Treesitter Text Objects plugin. So by using the following configuration, we're enabling the feature which will allow us to manipulate different elements in the source code by using this enable option set to true. As for this look ahead option, we're gonna come back to this option later on, but for now, the most important thing in here will be keymaps table. This will be the table where we're going to list all our mappings. As an example, I'm going to define two mappings for now. The first mapping AF will allow us to quickly select, yank, delete, change functions, including their names and parameter list. And the next one, IF, is going to be used to quickly do those same actions, but only in regards to function bodies, without their names and parameter list. More specifically, those two mappings will work in the following way. We firstly have to specify the action that we have to perform. For example, if I need to remove certain function, I will have to press D followed by AF, and this way the whole function, including its name and parameter list, will be removed. And if I, for example, need to change only the body of the function, I'm going to press CIF, since C in Neovim stands for change, which in other words will remove the body of the function and right away activate insert mode. Alright, before moving on, couple words about this auto install option set to true. Every time we will open up new file type, for example, a TypeScript file or Python file, Neovim Treesitter Text Objects plugin needs to know how to work with particular file type, and that is why it has to download additional language parsers, and this auto install option will take care of it, so we don't have to manually specify which parsers we have to install upfront, since by using this option it is going to be done for us automatically. Every time we're gonna open up new file type, the parser for that language will be automatically installed. Every time we modify this configuration file in order for changes to take effect, we have to reload vscode. And right after that, let's try it out. I'm gonna put my cursor on top of some function, and let's say I need to select this function, and for that I'm going to press sequence of keys V, A, F, and the whole function including its name is highlighted. But if I need to select only the body of this function, I'm gonna press V, I, F. So VAF, where A stands for around, is going to select the whole function, including its name and parameter list, and VIF, where I stands for inside, is going to select only the body of this function without its name. And this works with all other operations. For example, if we need to remove the whole function, we press DAF, or if we need to remove only the body of the function, we'll press DIF. The same works with yanking and changing. Let's say I need to change the whole body of the function. To do that, I will press CIF. The content will be removed, and we will activate insert mode. And that's about it for the first lesson, where we have installed and configured Neovim Treesitter Text Objects plugin. In the next lesson, we're going to start defining different keyboard shortcuts that will help us simplify our development workflow. The link to the repository with this configuration file will be in the video description.